Hello guys, so today we're going to be using the Jeffree Star Androgyny palette. Really pretty. So we've done my foundation already, so let's just get started. So we're going to start off with Safe Word. I'm going that it is really like powdery. Oh, actually, I forget to do something. Got a powder under here, just in case we get any fallout. So back to it. So Safe Word. The Safe Word. I've used this palette a couple of times, but this is the first video I've done with it. I wanted to see what the colours were like and how they blended, etc. So the second colour we're going to go in with today is Androgyny. I think that's how you say it. If it isn't, I do apologise. But yeah, I've used a few colours. Overall, it is worth its money. It is a really nice palette. I love the colours. I can't actually wait until Jeffree Star's new palette comes out. The Lovesick one. And that one it that much, I'm prepared to order it from America because I want it that much. But it just looks so pretty and so beautiful, and look at this is a really nice shade. I did actually think this shade was brown, but when you look at it, it looks kind of purpley. Purple colour mark is purple, but to me it looked a bit browny coloured. Got an itchy nose. Yeah. I always feel weird with stupid powder on my face. This eye is actually blended better than the other eye, which is weird. Anyway, just darkening it all up. Make it stand out. Because we all know Jeffree Star likes to stand out and look so good. So let's do this. I was gonna do like just a toned down look, but stop that. Jeffree Star wouldn't do a toned down look, so why should I? Right, so I'm gonna get some concealer. Gonna cut some of this away. Like I said before, it can be any concealer, it does not matter. So far, now, I have got both Jeffree Star palettes. I mean, some people are saying some bad stuff about this one, and this is why I wasn't going to get it. But I'm glad I did, to be honest, because it is really nice. The only colour that I found a problem with was Swallow. But if you work it, you can still do something with it. Anyway, let's go back to this. So we're going to go in now with Fetish. Now this is such a beautiful colour. It's like metallic kind of red. It's so beautiful. It's so pigmented as well. Damn you, old eyes. I curse you, damn old eyes. It's getting creased, me wrinkly eyes. But yeah, this colour is so beautiful. I bet you could even do a look just with this eyeshadow because it is that nice. It reminds me a bit of what Dorothy's, like Ruby Slippers, that kind of look. It reminds me a bit like that, and it's really pretty. I'm thinking about actually just gonna go back in with Androgyny. I'm thinking about actually going underneath the eye, but I didn't want to do that straight away in case my eyes start watering, which my eyes always do. For some reason they like to water and mess my makeup up. So yeah, I thought if I'm gonna do that, I'll do it last so it looks nice for the video, and then if it looks crap later, it doesn't matter if it sucks. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do. I think I might go underneath with the fetish. But yeah, love the colours, they're really beautiful. Really nice. He knows how to pick his colours and make them so pigmented. And with that saying, I'm going to cut and do my eyeliner and my lashes. I'll be right back. Eyeliner on, eyelashes on. Eyes starting to water, but it still looks okay at the moment. So I'm going to get a small brush and I'm going to go back in with fetish. I'm just going to go underneath the eyelid, pop in the corner. There is a little bit of fallout with these eyeshadows, but like I said, you can't complain. They're amazing. And I really can't wait to get my hands on the next palette. I just nearly knocked my eyelash off. Did you see that? Just make it pop a bit more. Yeah, so this palette is amazing. I do recommend it. I might do a review on it with what I think. Like I said, because some people have said it's bad. But I mean, it's really nice. The colours are nice. The eyeshadows are big. Get a lot for your money. So yeah, beautiful. So, time for some lipstick. I've got the Jeffree Star Velour Liquid Lipstick. I thought we'd go in with a Jeffree Star. See now, as we're using the Jeffree Star eyeshadows. And this is in the colour Anna Nicole. It's like an orange colour. I'm going to pause the video and put this on because I've had my lips done recently and application's not been great. So I will be right back. So there we are. Yep, Anna Nicole. There you go. Nice pretty orange. So yeah, looks good. Eyes are watering. Don't know how long it's gonna look good for, but I enjoyed doing it. Yeah, I like this look. So if you did like watching this video and you like any of my others, please could you like, comment and subscribe. And yeah, hope to be back soon with more tutorials and I'll catch you later.